विश्व शांति धारा। मनुष्य आज विनाश के कगार पर खड़ा है। पूरी दुनिया में अशांति फैली हुई है। ऐसे में विश्व शांति की आवश्यकता बहुत ज्यादा और तेज हो गई है। इस अशांत वातावरण में विश्व शांति कैसे और किस प्रकार हो सकती है, इस पर विचार विमर्श करने के लिए दुनिया भर के ज्ञानी, साधु संत, शास्त्रज्ञ और तत्ववेत्ता पुणे में एक साथ आए। अवसर था लोनी स्थित दुनिया के सबसे बड़े विश्व शांति गुंबद में आयोजित विज्ञान, धर्म और तत्व ज्ञान पर आधारित 8वीं वैश्विक संसद का। इस 3 दिवसीय समारोह में सहभागी ज्ञानी वक्ताओं ने विश्व शांति और मानव कल्याण के विषय पर अपने विचार प्रकट किए। आइए सुनते हैं उनमें से कुछ चुनिंदा विचार विश्व शांति दर्शन पर प्रसारित एक विशेष कार्यक्रम में, जिसका नाम है विश्व शांति धारा।
नमस्कार, विश्व शांति धारा में आप सबका स्वागत है। केरल के गवर्नर महामहिम आरिफ मोहम्मद खान ने स्पष्ट किया कि केवल शिक्षा ही अतीत के गौरव को पुनर्जीवित कर सकती है।
Our tradition tells us that in this world full of poison, there are only on this tree which has been compared with this world, has been described as a poisonous tree, but this tree yields 2 fruits of inimitable goodness, and they are when you enjoy the words of wisdom which come from scriptures, and when you enjoy the company of sajjans who are sitting here. You have been hearing to the experts of the subject since last 3 days. I am in no position to make any addition to that. But the reason I have come here is to pay my respect to Shri Vishwanath Karat. The worshipper of Ma Saraswati. India, we just now, in your resolutions, there was a reference to Swami Vivekananda. The word Vishwa Guru was used.
समस्त बंधू भगिनी आणि वारकरी भाविक भक्तांनो, तत्वज्ञ संत श्री ज्ञानेश्वर श्री तुकाराम महाराज यांच्या नावाने आणि विश्वधर्मी प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ दा कराड यांच्या अथक प्रयत्नाने साकार झालेल्या या विश्व शांतीच्या घुमटातून भागवत वारकरी परंपरेचा हा ज्ञान विज्ञानाधिष्ठित अध्यात्मशास्त्राचा दिव्य संदेश संपूर्ण मानव जातीला सुख, समाधान आणि शांतीकडे घेऊन जाईल याचा आम्हाला विश्वास वाटतो। जगभरातील मान्यवरांनी गौरवलेला हा विश्व शांतीचा घुमट लवकरच जगातील एक आश्चर्य म्हणून ओळखला जाईल आणि भारताला विश्वगुरू म्हणून मान्यता प्राप्त करून देईल अशी आमची प्रांजळ भावना आहे।
How come a country which was recognized as knowledge destination? You look at 10th, 11th century history written by Arab writers. Everyone has 8, 9, 10 volumes. Invariably, the first chapter is devoted to India. And they say there are 5 great civilizations in the world. Iranians are known for their majesty. Chinese known for their craftsmanship and obedience to law and rulers. Romans for their beauty. Turks for their bravery. And India is the only civilization which is known for promotion of knowledge and wisdom. This was recognized world over. Then what happened? Very difficult to find the answer. But there is answer in the speeches of Swami Vivekananda and more particularly Swami Ranganathananda, who was the head of the Ramakrishna mission till about 12, 13 years ago when he passed away. And he says that India has always been, we have been worshippers of Ma Saraswati. But over a period of time, particularly during the period of our fall and decline, we became villains of Saraswati. Khal. When we denied access to knowledge to our own people, and in the process our society was weakened. And when we became weak, we became conquerable. Now this renaissance, this realization started from Bengal. And the renaissance history of India tells us that from Bengal it came to Maharashtra. Other states, it went later. But first Bengal and then Maharashtra. And I feel and believe, because I am coming to this Peace University since last more than how many years? 8, 9 years. And had the good fortune of meeting most of the people who are on the stage, and Guru Vittalji is sitting opposite, and so many other people, the family of Vishwanathji. And don't think because I have been invited, therefore I am praising him. No. But honestly, I see in Dr. Vishwanath continuity of that Renaissance tradition. When he is, as a true devotee of Ma Saraswati, he is taking education to the masses. Education is the only game changer. Education alone can help us to revive our past glory. Education alone, use this term Vishwa Guru. This is the Vishwa Guru is not an upadhi. Vishwa Guru is something which a status which is earned by hard labor. Tapa swadhyay nirittam. Ever devoted to the pursuit of knowledge. Those who are ever devoted to the pursuit of knowledge, they are bound to be recognized as Guru. And if we as a society are devoted to the pursuit of knowledge, who in the world will deny us the status of Vishwa Guru? Nobody can.